Hi, this is Holly Homnick, Strategic Account Executive here at HG Insights. And today I'm going to walk through one of our newest tools, Market Intelligence, and how we can help you from a high-level perspective size your market to understand the size, shape, scope, competitive penetration, and trend, and then ultimately understand how to operationalize that given high-value market to know which opportunities are going to drive the most revenue most quickly, what to prioritize, and then ultimately the execution layer of what message to take to market, when and where. So today I'm going to jump right in. I'm actually going to show an example that I walked through recently with a customer that wanted to better understand the customer relationship management application market. First, I'm going to show you from a high-level global perspective, our market intelligence tool aligns really nicely with your strategic advisors like Gartner, IDC, and Forrester, representing a 2.9 total global external IT spend. 2.9 trillion. We are tracking almost 740,000 companies within our platform. As mentioned, the customer that I was speaking to was interested in CRM. And with a simple click, you're going to see that 2.9 trillion external IT market size is dropped to 25 billion available global CRM spend. This customer was actually only focused in North America, so I'm also going to filter by United States and Canada. And again, you're going to see these numbers above change. We're now looking at a 9.9 billion total available CRM spend in North America, allocated among almost 142,000 companies. It gets really interesting when you drill into the segment analysis. You can identify where the spend is by country, which industry, which vertical is going to be most lucrative. Maybe there's a really strong opportunity in public administration with a 2.2 billion available CRM spend allocated among only 3.6 thousand companies. Maybe you want to steer clear of manufacturing where there is 27,000 companies and far less available spend at 708 million. You can also track by employee range and revenue to understand how to accurately size, create equitable sales territories, and kind of where you want to focus those people resources. What I'm going to drill into is the market share product that we have. So I quickly pre-filled this graph with some of the competitors and key integration partners, kind of relevant companies within that space. As you can see, they're listed here to the right. We're looking at a total market size again of 9.9 billion of customer relation management application spend. And what you can see, if I change it from company count to market penetration, and I actually I'll drill in on a part of this graph that's got a lot of action. You can see how these organizations are tackling this overall market share within, in this case, the IT industry segment. And Showpad is comprised of 3% of the market, 198 companies. Seismic has 2%. Salesforce, a big chunk, 60%, 4,500 companies. MS Dynamics, 365. HighSpot, Engagio, and BrainShark. And let's say I wanted to go further and actually understand what were the organizations making up this sector of interest. I can actually preview those companies, understand what are those organizations I want to be targeting or sending my marketing and people resource dollars at. And when I click View Full List, it'll actually take us to the second part of our tool, which will allow you to drill in further into the account-based intelligence and granular IT infrastructure and spend technology. So that's a little sneak peek for today. If you're interested in learning more, would love to have a chat with you and have you speak with one of our experts here at HG Insights to walk through your particular market of interest. Thanks so much. Take care.